welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a PR unboxing with Vienna. Are you excited?
Yes, but I think there will be some toys.
Do you think so? I hope so. We're so excited to be opening these PR packages to see what is inside. I'm going to be using this cute little cloud opener, and Vienna is going to pick what packages we open up first. Are you ready? Okay, what do you want to open up first?
This one.
Okay, starting with this package. This is from Elemis. Let's see what is inside. Look how beautiful that headband is. These are my favorite. I actually barely ran out of this cream, and so I'm so excited. I have step 1 cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate with a cute little headband.
Yeah, but the cute headband is mine.
Is it yours?
Yes.
Okay. This is so pretty. Okay, this package is so beautiful. Okay, what one do you want to open up next?
This one. I'm more eager to open it, Mom.
Yes. From YSL. It's beautiful. Cologne or perfume? I love YSL Beauty, so I'm so excited to smell this and see what it's like. Okay, what one do you want to open up next? This one?
It's been way more harder, isn't it?
This one's hard to open, huh?
What?
Ooh, this is a thank you card. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is from Skin at Peace. I love Skin at Peace. I use this all the time in my Get Ready With Me videos. Skincare is made fresh every week by an MD with 0 preservatives. Think fresh produce. There's also nothing harmful for you and your babies. Only pure, clean, and green ingredients. Enjoy. With warm regards, Lindsay. Safe for your skin, for pregnancy, for kids. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. There's the clean, tone, and then the day and night. They're made fresh, literally like they give you enough for like a month's supply. There's no preservatives in them. Look at how beautiful. The Skin at Peace products for like the past month and a half, and I love them. And this one? Is this for you or for Rickson?
For me.
So cute. It's a cute little first word books, and all the pictures are like embroidery. Cute. These are my kids' favorite books. There's not a card or a note, but it's a first words cute little embroidery book. My kids are gonna love that, especially my little baby. Next one, what are we gonna open? Oh my gosh, that's cute. So cute. So we got the cutest little cotton muslin sheet sets. Look how cute these patterns are. They are from Little Unicorn. Friend Sleep Train Rickson finally now. I got his crib all set up, put together, and these are so cute. I'm so excited to put them in his crib. So thank you so much. This is from Little Unicorn. So cute. This is like a little stretchy crib sheet, and these ones are muslin cotton. Yes, please?
I'm gonna put it on my bed.
This goes on the crib. It only fits the crib. Open one of the big ones.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, where did my little opener go? I found it. We got some body armor. We got some Body Armor Light Sports Drink. I love Body Armor, and I especially love the light.
You need a mine.
Okay, we got the peach and mango flavor, and then dragon fruit berry. I love Body Armor Light. There's no sugar added to them, and their drinks just are really hydrating and delicious. I'm pretty sure this box is the same. Okay, what next? Open this one.
Baby toy. Baby boy.
Okay. I'm so excited. This is from Evereden. So excited to have my kids' bathroom routines. There's body wash, shampoo, face wash, face cream. Look at this. Look at how cute. It's from Evereden. This is detangling shampoo. They're all for kids. Look at how pretty. Oh, ooh, that just pops off and it's like a little puff. Are you excited? This is skincare from Cocokind. I've been using Cocokind products for years now. I love all of their products. So we got the chlorophyll discoloration serum and the vitamin C glow serum. I love Cocokind. I'm so excited to try this one. I haven't tried this one yet, but I've been using this one and I love how it feels on my skin. Thank you so much, Cocokind. I'm going to be linking all of these brands in the description. This is Cocokind if you wanted to check out their products. Is that big? Here you go. This one? This package is from Malabar Baby.
Rickson.
For Rickson? Okay, I have matching jammy sets for all my kids in here.
That's exactly I think. Is it for me?
This one's for you. So we have Zachary, Vienna, True, Rickson. This is a sleep suit, like 18 to 36 months. These sleep suits are so awesome. I never put a blanket in my baby's crib. I always put them in a little sleep suit. It's perfect. These are the jammies. These are Viennas. Sets of matching pajamas from Malabar Baby. Thank you so much, Malabar Baby. Okay, Rickson is joining us to finish this PR unboxing. Hey, baby.
I like this box.
Hey, baby. Open this one. Okay, here, let's see if there's something in here for Rickson. Oh, can you get me that book for him?
Yes.
Good. So cute. Vienna's gonna like this one. Okay, this package is from Alani. We got a protein bar, caramel crunch, and then what was that one? This one is some sour melon slices from Alani, and then some protein bars. These are mine. These are mine.
I have one.
You can have one of these, okay? I'm just joking. Okay, can you put them over there? Thank you so much, Alani. We love all the Carefree snacking. Should we try this one?
Yes. Do it first.
There's like a whole tool set to put eyelashes, the adhesive, the remover, and some beautiful eyelashes. I'm so excited to try these. What was in the box? We have a whole set of lashes here, eyelashes in here, the tools to put them on. I used to do fake lashes all the time, and I kind of just switched to mascara for some time, but now that I have these, I'm totally going to be putting false lashes on. One next. This one? Ooh, this one's from La Roche Posay. I'm going to fold this package late because it's like a New Year's package. It's like an advent calendar. It's going to be fun to open. Hydrating gentle cleanser. This is so fun. I think it's like a little surprise. I have a little chocolate. This is number 4, Hyaloo B5 Serum. Cleanser Makeup Remover. An acne treatment. Moisturizer cream. Soothing Therapeutic Multi-Purpose Cream. Hydration Restore Lip Balm. A Double Repair Face Moisturizer. And a Daily Lotion Sunscreen. So cute. I feel so spoiled right now. Thank you so much, La Roche Posay. It was such a fun PR package to open. This is from Ternx.
It's a backpack.
It's a diaper bag backpack. I have a baby changing mat.
I want this page. I want this.
Bottles on the side. Thank you so much, Ternx. This diaper bag looks awesome. I'm excited to try. Okay, this box is from BODYARMOR as well.
Wow.
The strawberry banana tropical punch rapid rehydration from MEYLYS. From MEYLYS we have the Be Thick, Be Glowy, and Be Flat. So this one is the last one. It's from Golden May. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching our PR unboxing.
Happy birthday to you.
This is everything laid out from this PR unboxing haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be tagging every brand here in the description below if there's anything you guys wanted to check out.